Have you ever wondered if one person can change the world with their ideas? What if I told you that one man dreamt of shaping the future of science, business, and humanity, and made those dreams a reality? Elon Musk, a name that's a household topic today. SpaceX, Tesla, Neuralink, these companies didn't start as massive corporations. They began as ideas, and now they're defining the future. But do you know what struggles, decisions, and risks he had to face to get there? Ever wondered what the biggest obstacles in Elon Musk's life were? Let's dive into Elon Musk's journey, from his struggles to the bold steps he took that we talk about today. In this video, we'll uncover the untold aspects of his life that will inspire you too. So if you're curious about how Elon Musk did it, make sure to watch till the end, because this story isn't just about one man. It's about the future of all of us. Part 1. Early Life and Education. Elon Reeve Musk was born on June 28, 1971, in Pretoria, South Africa. From a young age, he showed a keen interest in technology and science. He was a curious child, always asking questions and digging deep into books. By the age of 10, Musk had already developed a love for computing and taught himself programming. He sold his first software at the age of 12, a video game called Blastar. This entrepreneurial spirit would set the stage for his future. Growing up in South Africa, Musk had a challenging childhood. His parents' marriage was strained, and eventually, his parents divorced when he was just 10 years old. After the divorce, Musk lived with his father for a while before deciding to move to Canada. In 1989, at the age of 17, Musk moved to Canada to attend Queen's University in Ontario. He chose Canada because his mother was Canadian, and he wanted to avoid the mandatory military service in South Africa. After 2 years at Queen's University, Musk transferred to the University of Pennsylvania in the United States, where he earned degrees in both economics and physics. It was here that Musk started to develop his vision for the future. He was always thinking big, dreaming of changing the world in radical ways. During his time at the University of Pennsylvania, Musk realized that his future was in technology and innovation. Part 2. The Early Business Ventures. Musk's first business venture was a company called Zip2, which he founded in 1995 with his brother Kimball. Zip2 was a software company that provided online city guides for newspapers. The idea was simple but revolutionary at the time. Help newspapers create an online presence and offer maps, directions, and business listings. In 1999, Compaq acquired Zip2 for nearly $307 million, and Musk walked away with $22 million. This was just the beginning of his entrepreneurial journey. Musk then went on to create X.com, an online payment company, in 1999. This venture was a significant turning point in his career, as it eventually became PayPal, which was later acquired by eBay in 2002 for $1.5 billion in stock. Musk earned around $165 million from this deal. With the proceeds, he set his sights on even bigger ventures, including space exploration, electric cars, and artificial intelligence. Part 3. SpaceX and the Road to Mars. In 2002, Musk founded SpaceX, Space Exploration Technologies Corporation, with the ambitious goal of reducing the cost of space travel and making life multiplanetary. Musk was not content with the status quo in space exploration. He believed that humanity's future depended on making life possible on other planets, and he set out to make that vision a reality. The early years at SpaceX were extremely challenging. The company faced multiple failures, including 3 failed rocket launches. Musk even put up his own money to keep the company alive. But in 2008, SpaceX achieved its first successful launch with the Falcon 1 rocket, making history as the first privately funded company to send a rocket into orbit. This success marked a major turning point for SpaceX. In 2012, SpaceX's Dragon capsule became the first commercial spacecraft to deliver cargo to the International Space Station. This was a huge milestone not only for SpaceX but for the future of private space travel. Musk's ultimate goal with SpaceX is to make human life multiplanetary by establishing a colony on Mars. His vision for Mars colonization involves launching reusable rockets, which can drastically reduce the cost of space travel. Part 4. Tesla and the electric revolution. In 2004, Musk joined Tesla Motors, now Tesla Inc., as chairman of the board, and later became its CEO and product architect. At the time, the electric vehicle market was almost non-existent. Musk saw an opportunity to revolutionize the auto industry by creating electric vehicles that were not only environmentally friendly, but also fast, stylish, and desirable. His goal was to prove that electric cars could be just as good, if not better, than gasoline-powered cars. Tesla's first car, the Roadster, debuted in 2008 and broke all expectations. It was a high-performance electric car with a range of over 200 miles on a single charge, something unheard of at the time. But Tesla's journey was not without challenges. The company struggled with production issues and financial difficulties, but Musk's determination kept the company afloat. Over the years, Tesla expanded its lineup with the Model S, Model X, Model 3, and Model Y, cementing itself as a leader in the electric vehicle market. Part 5. Other Ventures, Neuralink, The Boring Company, and more. Musk is not just a visionary in space and electric vehicles. He has also ventured into other areas of technology. In 2016, he founded Neuralink, a neurotechnology company focused on developing brain-machine interfaces. The goal of Neuralink is to enable direct communication between the human brain and computers, potentially allowing people to control devices with their minds and treat neurological diseases. In the same year, Musk also founded The Boring Company, which focuses on creating tunnels for underground transportation systems. Musk's idea was to reduce traffic congestion by building high-speed transit systems beneath the city, and he has already started working on projects like the Las Vegas Loop. In addition to these ventures, Musk has been involved with other companies like SolarCity, now part of Tesla, which focuses on solar energy, and OpenAI, which focuses on developing artificial intelligence in a safe and responsible manner. Part 6. Personal Life and Legacy. Musk's personal life has often made headlines as much as his professional life. He has been married several times and has had children with multiple partners. In 2020, he made headlines when he named his son XAE-12, which drew both criticism and admiration from the public. Musk is known for his intense work ethic, often working 80 to 100 hours a week to bring his ambitious projects to life. Despite his success, Musk has faced numerous challenges, including criticism of his management style, struggles with public perception, and financial crises. However, his ability to overcome these challenges has solidified his status as one of the most influential entrepreneurs of the 21st century. Musk's legacy will likely be defined by his work in space exploration, electric vehicles, and AI. He has made a lasting impact on multiple industries and is shaping the future of technology in ways few could have imagined. Part 7. Elon Musk's future projects and vision. Looking ahead, Elon Musk's vision continues to be incredibly ambitious. He doesn't just want to transform industries, he wants to change the course of humanity. From Mars colonization to the development of sustainable energy, Musk has set his sights on projects that could impact generations to come. One of his most talked-about future projects is the Starship program at SpaceX. Starship is designed to carry humans to Mars and beyond, revolutionizing interplanetary travel. Unlike current rockets, Starship is fully reusable, which could drastically reduce the cost of space travel. Musk envisions Starship being the key to establishing human colonies on Mars and making space travel more accessible to everyone. Another of Musk's major future goals is the widespread adoption of electric vehicles. Tesla has made huge strides in this direction, but Musk has been vocal about the need to accelerate the transition to sustainable energy. He believes that within the next decade, electric vehicles will become the dominant form of transportation. With Tesla's continued innovation, including the upcoming Cybertruck and semi-trucks, Musk is on track to lead this transformation. Part 8. The Boring Company's Vision for Urban Transportation. Let's not forget about the Boring Company. One of Musk's more unconventional ideas, the Boring Company aims to revolutionize urban transportation by building tunnels for high-speed underground transit systems. Musk's concept, known as the Loop, is designed to alleviate traffic congestion by offering fast, efficient travel beneath city streets. While many initially thought this idea was too far-fetched, Musk has already made progress with projects like the Las Vegas Loop. He believes that by creating a network of tunnels, traffic could be eliminated in urban areas, transforming cities into more efficient and sustainable spaces. While it's still in its early stages, the Boring Company has the potential to change the way we think about transportation in the future. Part 9. Musk's influence on social media and public image. Elon Musk is also one of the most active and polarizing figures on social media, especially on Twitter. His tweets can move markets, stir controversy, or ignite widespread public debate. Musk has often used social media to share updates about his companies, express his opinions on technology, and even engage in playful banter with his followers. However, his social media presence hasn't been without controversy. In 2018, Musk faced a lawsuit from the SEC U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission for tweets he made about taking Tesla private at $420 a share, which they claimed misled investors. Musk and the SEC eventually reached a settlement, and Musk agreed to step down from his role as chairman of Tesla for a time. This episode highlighted the complexities of Musk's relationship with social media and his public persona. Despite the controversies, Musk's influence on social media is undeniable. His tweets often go viral, and he has the ability to shape public opinion on various topics. This influence only adds to his larger-than-life persona, making him one of the most recognized and talked-about figures in the world today. Part 10. The Musk Philosophy: Never Settle. At the core of Elon Musk's success is his philosophy of never settling for less. He's not just satisfied with creating a successful company or even a successful product. Musk's goal has always been to push the boundaries of what's possible. He challenges his teams to think bigger, aim higher, and innovate faster than anyone else. Musk's philosophy is clear. Failure is simply a stepping stone on the road to success. He's had his fair share of setbacks, from failed rocket launches to production delays. But he's never let these failures stop him. Instead, he's used them as learning opportunities to improve and innovate. One of the key reasons Musk has been able to achieve so much is his ability to inspire and motivate his teams. His vision is so compelling that people are willing to work incredibly hard to help him achieve his goals. It's not just about making money for Musk. It's about making a lasting impact on the world. Part 11. Conclusion: Elon Musk's legacy. Elon Musk's legacy is still being written, but it's already clear that he will be remembered as one of the most influential and transformative figures of the 21st century. He's revolutionized multiple industries, from electric vehicles to space exploration, and he's shaping the future of technology in ways few people could have imagined. But perhaps more importantly, Musk has inspired millions of people around the world to think bigger, dream bolder, and challenge the status quo. Whether it's through SpaceX's journey to Mars, Tesla's electric revolution, or his work with Neuralink and the Boring Company, Musk's influence will continue to shape the world for decades to come. As he pushes forward with his ambitious goals, it's clear that Elon Musk isn't just trying to change the world. He's trying to change the very future of humanity. And in that pursuit, he has truly earned his place as one of the most visionary entrepreneurs in history. And that is the story of Elon Musk, a kid who was bullied in school, lost in his own world of books and dreams. But today, he's building rockets to Mars, changing how we drive, and maybe, just maybe, redefining the future of humanity. So, what's the lesson here? It's not about being the smartest in the room. It's about dreaming bigger than the room itself. It's about working when others sleep and believing when no one else does. If Elon Musk can go from zero to building billion-dollar companies, then what's stopping you from chasing your own dream? Maybe you're not trying to go to Mars, but what if you just take the first step toward your goal today? If this story inspired you even a little, then go ahead and hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel for more real-life stories like this.